guys, and today we have this pack from
Exoticers?
no, what country?
It's from here. It's from this country.
It's from
company.
the UK.
Exoticers.
Guys, I think these are like China
Exotic
foods.
snacks.
These are like China foods.
No, they're exotic snacks.
What state are they from?
They're from all over the world.
Okay, all over from the world. Okay. So we got like so much stuff we'll be showing you one by one. And before we got here, we had this over here that I really wanted to try. If you guys don't know what that says, it says Fanta. That.
Yeah, unfortunately, we don't really know what flavor because
Oh,
we can't read it.
Oh, yeah.
But let's try it.
Mm.
Don't. If you shake it up, it's gonna explode.
Okay, you can open it.
No, you can open it.
I'm
You
not.
shook
no,
it up.
I'm not strong
You
enough.
shook it up.
I'm not strong enough.
I saw somebody do this as a trick on a show. Turn it, and it won't explode, I guess.
Don't do that.
Okay.
We'll go first.
Ugh.
What?
It smells very, like, fruity, like pina colada.
Oh.
And it's green. It really is green. Do you like it?
Tastes like a blue airhead.
Does it? Let me try.
It's so good. Tastes like a blue airhead.
Ooh.
You don't like it?
Wow. No. It's too sweet.
Well,
Ugh.
this is my drink now.
It definitely tastes like candy. Give me it so I can put up here so it doesn't spill.
That was good to me, but to her, I don't know.
Ooh. It tastes like gum, like the
She
middle of
don't
a
like
blow
it.
pop.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Yeah. What do you want to try next?
Truffle.
Yeah.
We're gonna do the truffle.
Truffle
next.
Lay's chips. Let me see if it says like where they're made or anything. Can you stop for a sec? Lay's Thailand. So
Okay, I'm gonna go first. Since you went first, I'm gonna go first. Get out of the way! My cat is on the screen,
Make
but
sure
you
you're-
can't see it.
make sure on the camera when you try them. No.
Alright. It's usually like the hardest. Okay. Oh,
Let me
smell those. Those are hard.
Ooh, those smell good. It smells like garlicky. Okay.
That's good.
Can I try?
I like that.
These are good.
It tastes like garlicky.
Like a mix of sour cream and onion and Funyuns.
Oh,
Definitely truffly.
we're gonna try this next, I think. Sorry guys, the video camera, my iCloud storage broke. Yeah, it's full. Too much things in it, so we're just moving on. And before we were doing this, so we're on this part. I grabbed these scissors, as I said, and then gotta get it open. I think it's chocolate.
That's what they are, little candies or something. No clue what this is. It looks like it might be yeah, you're right, chocolate. Chocolate pieces or caramel.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one.
The name of the company is Exoticers or something. I don't know how to say it.
Yes.
Exoticers. It's chewy.
I don't really like it.
Ew. It's like taffy. It's like chocolate flavored taffy. It's okay.
I don't really like it. What should we do next? Oh.
I never tried these.
Pocky sticks. Okay. Strawberry flavored.
Instructions.
Let me do that.
Puffy.
Never tried it. Don't know what it is.
Good source of fiber. This is the company.
You can have one.
Thank you.
And I can
Oh,
have
those
one.
are definitely strawberry.
Mmm.
It's like a biscuit covered with strawberry coating.
Yeah, I actually kind of like that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Try the Kit Kat.
Kit Kat! I never
not-
saw.
Go ahead. We're not going to be able to do these ones because we have to cook them, so we'll have to do that in a separate video, but they're Tom Yum shrimp flavor ramen noodles.
I love shrimp.
Probably pretty good. These are also a product
Kit
of
Kat.
Thailand.
I'm excited for the Kit Kat. Ready, guys? I'm excited.
Of course you are.
Oh, I love Kit Kats.
I'm excited for this cow tail.
These are dark brown. These are like dark brown. Not like the usual Kit Kats. Or I might be wrong. I don't know, but in my opinion. Oh. Hey, get this. What the? This is my break. You can't see it.
It definitely tastes different than a regular Kit Kat, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. I love these.
Same wafer. Different cocoa plan. I'm gonna try this.
What is that?
I have no clue what it is. It looks like a cake of some sort. Like something spongy.
Oh! You're addicted. That hurts my ears. That hurts my ears.
Really? Can't help it.
Smell it! You can smell it from here!
Here, cut into it so you don't rip the whatever's in there. There you go. What is it?
It's like squishy stuff.
Let me see. It's like a cake.
A cake inside a bag?
Yeah, and you shredded it. But it's like, yeah, there's no way I could take this out.
Ooh, I'm just gonna...
It's falling apart.
Oh, yeah.
That's what it looks like.
I'm gonna taste it.
Little piece. Like a cake. Ooh, it's chewy in the middle.
Hey,
It's not bad. It is super messy. It's like falling apart everywhere. It's definitely like strawberry flavor. I don't know what this chewiness.
but it's good.
Like marshmallowy.
Oh, it's red.
Oh yeah. Here, go ahead. Not bad actually. This is pretty tasty.
If you couldn't read it before, here it is.
Bubble paper. flavor's more fun.
Mm.
Ah, that is fun.
Oh, I'm sorry, guys.
Oh, yeah.
This is fun. Okay, let's get back to the video. What we're supposed to do. Hey!
You
No,
first.
I already shut off.
Ah.
No, shut the box.
All right,
Shut the
fine.
box. Shut the box. Shut the box. Okay.
Oreo cowtail.
Gotta
Oreo
show
flavored cowtail.
'em. I can't see what that
You
says.
go ahead. You hold it. You're closer.
Oreo.
Did we show them the other things we opened? Yeah, we did.
Cowtail.
Phoebe, do you want to try a truffle potato chip?
Oh, she don't like it.
She might. Here. She won't really eat on my hand. It's kind of weird. She's licking it.
Oh, shoot. She licked it. Does she like it? She likes it.
She's really not sure of it, probably. She's like, this doesn't taste like my cat food.
Oh, she likes it.
Turn it a little more towards her. Yeah.
Cowtail. Phoebe don't eat stuff. Phoebe just likes stuff.
Mm-hmm. That looks pretty good. Yeah.
It looks like a, what is it called? Sweet tart.
Hold it up to the camera again, but leave it there for a minute so they can see how it looks just like Oreo with cream in the
They
middle.
could pause it if you want, and you could like get a close look. Okay, we're gonna open it now. Why are you looking at the other stuff?
I'm just trying to see if I can make out what country these are from.
Ooh. Cowtail. I'm gonna go first.
Okay. Can I try?
It's so good.
I love regular cowtails. This isn't bad. This actually tastes a lot like a regular cowtail.
Nutella. Oh, I'm excited for Nutella. It got crushed in the packaging.
Yeah, so did that cake. That cake, actually, I would like it probably better if it was a different flavor. I don't like that strawberry flavor in there.
Ooh. Look at that, guys.
It
It's
has
actually
like a jam
Nutella
in it.
in there.
Let me see. Oh.
Delicious. 10 out of 10.
Yeah?
10 out of 10.
Wow, you didn't light up like that for anything. Oh. This is exactly like,
Okay, I'm going to take 2 bites so you don't.
that is exactly like a Ferrero Rocher. Little circle things. It has the same wafer outside and the
I love
hazelnut
that.
cream inside. So
I don't even
good.
I don't want to wash it down now. It's so good.
Wafers with chocolate. This one has hazelnut in this. I'm not real sure.
Okay, I'm going to try this one.
You want to try? Yeah, let's try that one.
That one tastes exactly like the one we just had.
It's the same. Yeah, it's the same concept. So let's not
Oh,
open
you
this one.
guys ready?
We'll do that one.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. It's like a chocolate bar. I'm going to take one more bite.
What do you think?
I actually like that. Isn't that good?
Chocolate and
I'm washing it down.
wafer. It's very like airy.
Okay, so that's pretty much
That's it. Yeah,
right?
that's it.
Just we'll save this for a separate video. We're gonna cook some ramen noodles and stuff. I don't know what we're gonna call that, but I'm excited. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any more of my videos. Okay, so like and subscribe, notification bell, and yep, pretty much it.
Bye.
Bye, guys.